Looking for La Pavoni Espresso machine for the holidays? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1, Professional Style Machine, Attractive Chrome Base. Great steaming mechanism for cappuccinos. Power 1000 watts. Voltage 120 volts, by La Pavoni. Number 2, ideal for making coffee specialty drinks at home. Sturdy all-steel construction under heavy chrome plating. Comes with tamper, screen holder, measuring ladle, and cappuccino attachment. Also includes instructional video for getting started, another great product by La Pavoni. Number 3, Napolitana. The latest addition from La Pavoni is not only beautiful but built to last. The entire body is made of 18H stainless steel then polished to a gloss finish. This unit is semi-automatic. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and gift ideas. Get yours now.